Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bravo Studio templates for client portal apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bravo Studio website. Log into your Bravo Studio account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the templates section on the home page. Look for the category related to client portal apps. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template you are interested in to view its details. Take note of the features and design elements of the selected template. Look for a download button or link within the template details section. Click the download button to begin the downloading process. Your browser will prompt you to choose a location to save the file. Select your desired folder and click Save to download the template file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Extract the contents of the downloaded template file if it is in a compressed format. Open the Bravo Studio platform and select New Project or Import Project. Follow the prompts to upload the downloaded template file into your project. Review any configuration settings required for the template to function properly. Customize the template according to your specific client portal requirements. Test the functionality of the client portal app to ensure everything works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. Finally, publish or deploy the client portal app according to your project needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.